Hello, I'm Vince White. I'm an employment attorney and I'm answering publicly posted questions on abo.com, getting folks the answers they need from an employment attorney. So here we have our question. Can someone convicted of sexual harassment be forced to register as a sex offender? I was wondering if I were to keep calling a woman beautiful and everything like that and saying I want to date her and then get convicted of sexual harassment, could I be forced to register as a sex offender? Okay, so I guess there's a lot going on here. Obviously, you know, if your compliments and all these come-ons are not welcome, stop. What are you doing? But let's break it out here to answer your question. So sexual harassment is generally not a criminal statute. Generally what you're doing is you're dealing with a civil statute, meaning like if it's in the workplace, sexual harassment is a lawsuit. You can sue someone, but it's not something with a criminal charge where you might go to jail. Now, harassment is in many jurisdictions a crime, and there's lots of forms of harassment that are sexual in nature, so you could be talking about a criminal situation. If you're talking about a criminal situation, I would suggest posting your question again on the criminal attorney section of abo.com because they will be able to give you more specific answers. Since you're posting in the labor and employment section here, I guess under the sexual harassment section, I'm going to assume you might mean in the workplace. So generally speaking, no. If you are a sexual harassing bad actor in the workplace, you would not be registered as a sex offender. You might have lawsuits that are brought against you that will show up in your background checks, that will show up in Google for the rest of your life, things of that nature. But generally speaking, if you're being accused of workplace sexual harassment in a civil case, there would be no connection to the sex offender registry.